Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Terra Luna price prediction and Terra Luna news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Terra Luna in 2022. Terra is a blockchain protocol that uses fiat-pegged stablecoins to power price-stable global payment systems. According to its white paper, Terra combines the price stability and wide adoption of fiat currencies with the censorship resistance of Bitcoin, BTC, and offers fast and affordable settlements. Development on Terra began in January 2018, and its mainnet officially launched in April 2019. As of September 2021, it offers stablecoins pegged to the US dollar, South Korean won, Mongolian tugruk and the International Monetary Fund's special drawing rights basket of currencies, and it intends to roll out additional options. Terra's native token, Luna, is used to stabilize the price of the protocol's stablecoins. Luna holders are also able to submit and vote on governance proposals, giving it the functionality of a governance token. Terra was founded in January 2018 by Daniel Shin and Du Quan. The two conceived of the project as a way to drive the rapid adoption of blockchain technology and cryptocurrency through a focus on price stability and usability. Quan took on the position of CEO of Terraform Labs, the company behind Terra. Established the dedicated gaming unit in February. We're putting players first and creating open economies powered by the blockchain that grant players true asset ownership. We're making it possible for developers to create in-game assets that players will pass down to their future grandchildren, Sadin said in a press release. During his time at WB Games' Boston studio, Sadin launched a number of hit free-to-play games and worked with well-known IP rights holders for franchises like Batman, WWE, and The Walking Dead. In January, FTX launched a $2 billion venture fund run by Amy Wu, formerly of Lightspeed Venture Partners. Part of the fund's remit is to invest in crypto gaming projects. Before he was at WB Games, Sadin was a VP at Sega, responsible for the company's free-to-play Sonic games. Gaming giant Ubisoft included NFTs alongside Ghost Recon Breakpoint, but they were met with a lukewarm reception from fans, with on-chain data suggesting that the company has only sold a few $100s worth of the themed NFTs. In capital, pushing the company's valuation to $7 billion. British bank HSBC has purchased a plot of land in the Sandbox metaverse to engage with sports, experts, and gaming enthusiasts. BTC Group and Hanif have partnered up to bring Europe's first metaverse ETF, which has since been listed on the London Stock Exchange. Billionaire businesswoman and singer Rihanna may be taking her cosmetic line Fenty Beauty to the metaverse after filing for a trademark to sell her Fenty brand as virtual cosmetics. Regulation Senator Elizabeth Warren's crypto sanctions bill receives criticism, with industry experts calling it unconstitutional, unnecessary, and overboard. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky has signed the Virtual Assets Bill, legalizing cryptocurrency in war-ravaged Ukraine. According to local reports, Argentina is planning to tighten regulations of cryptocurrency companies by including them in the country's anti-money laundering efforts. The SEC vs. Ripple drama continues as District Court Judge Anaylsis Torres rejected motions filed by the 4.6% AP for users that lock up their UST in the protocol. The Luna Foundation Guard, LFG, tweeted last Saturday that it was minting the maximum amount of UST to keep up with demand. To add further tailwinds, Terra co-founder Du Quan tweeted that the LFG is adding $418 million in reserves to its treasury, bringing its total to $1.5 billion. The reserves could be used to buy Luna tokens to convert to UST, or to shore up Anchor's reserves to pay those sky-high yields to depositors. Either scenario would put upward pressure on the price of Luna. And the second news today about FTX hires former WB Gaming exec to lead gaming partnerships. FTX announced today that it has hired former WB Games and Guard LFG on Friday, worth around $1 billion at current prices, to support the growth of the Terra ecosystem and the sustainability of its stablecoins. Quan outlined that the project will keep growing reserves until it becomes mathematically impossible for idiots to claim depeg risk for us. According to data from Congeco, the market cap of UST currently sits at $15.12 billion. Oki, second news about the story of the CFA in Bitcoin in Africa. Nearly 150 million people use the franc of the Financial Community of Africa, CFA, on a daily basis, from Senegal in the extreme west to Gabon, in the center of the continent. Used in 14 countries, the CFA franc is pegged to the euro, printed in France, and its monetary policy is controlled by Western powers. As Faux Diop, a Bitcoin BTC Lightning developer hailing from Senegal details, the IMF and the French government still control the currency. While the official peg to the euro is €1 to 655.96 CFA francs, its purchasing power has eroded over time. In 1994, the World Bank devalued the CFA franc against the French franc from 150 to 100. That year, West Africans woke up to realize the value of their life savings had been slashed in half. Loire, the founder of Kivaclair, a Bitcoin beach-inspired refugee project in the Congo, told Cointelegraph that the CFA makes whole countries dependent and it is usually the poorest who suffer. He explained the situation in 1994. The most striking example is that of 1994 when France and a privileged few decided to devalue the CFA franc. There is no guarantee that such a thing will not happen again, especially since the global economy is threatened. The predicted average price of Luna will be from $118.42 to $122.10 expected in 2022 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, Luna's maximum price ranges from $118.42 to $145.38 for 2022. Luna Price Forecast 2023. For a long-term forecast of the Terra price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Luna will rise to around $172.29 by 2023, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $207.03 with a minimum price level $167.41. Luna Rate Prediction 2024. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Terra will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2024, Luna is expected to peak at $293.36. The minimum bet could rise to $245.86 if the market turns bullish. Terra Course Prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, Terra price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $427.50 in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $363.73 with a maximum price of $427.50 for 2025. Terra Price Prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Terra Luna prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $528.51. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Terra's maximum price could reach up to $608.10 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Luna Course Prediction 2027. Luna will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Terra course will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Terra price will be almost $734.06. The maximum bid we can get is $915.02. Terra average price forecast for the end of 2027 could be around $760.49. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Terra Course Forecast 2028. Luna has great potential, with certain interactions